He cannot enter even the sun planet. What to speak of talking with him? Like Krishna could talk, Krishna can go anywhere. And when there is sun God, then God means not alone. A king does not mean alone. King means he has got his kingdom, he has got his subjects, he has got ministers, he has got military strength, everything is there. So similarly, if we accept Krishna's statement that I spoke to sun God, the sun God is there in the sun glow and he has his kingdom, so dazzling kingdom. It looks like fire blazing. But don't think it is impersonal. Impersonal, how Krishna could talk with him? There is no question of impersonality. So, yeah, adharma, vigyan, the degrees. Real dharma is, Krishna is explaining in the Bhagavad. Sarva dharman paritu, you have created, man made so many dharmas. So, one Bengali Vaishnava, he has mentioned, Prithivite jaha kichu dharma name chole, Bhagavat kahe taha paripurna chole. Bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam says, Dharma projita kaitavayatra. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, all Koitava means cheating. Cheating type of religious system is kicked out. Projita. Dharma projita koitava atra. So, dharma is one. Religion is one. There cannot be different types of religion. That is concoction. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam, several times. So dharma and adharma, these witnesses are there to see who is disobeying the orders of the Lord. That is adharma. A clear order is that sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vaja. This is dharma. Everything is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. What is Gyan, what is dharma, what is vairagya. So we have got this opportunity, this human form of life, as I was saying yesterday. Krishna bhuliya jeev, anadi mahidmo jeev, Krishna bhuli gera. Ataev Krishna ved purana karira. We have, since we do not know when, but since a very, very long time, anadi. Adi means it is beginning of this creation. And before that, anadi. Anadi bahirmo, ji. We are forgetful of Krishna since a very, very long time. And going within this cycle of birth and death, transmigration. So we get the opportunity, this human form of life. So we must revive our consciousness by going through, by understanding, by hearing these literatures, Veda Puran, Anadi Bahirma Vidhi, Krishna Bhuli. Our position is, we have forgotten God. But this forgetfulness can be subdued and we can revive our original consciousness, just like a man sleeping, but if you call him again and again, Mr. Satan says, get up, now your time is to go to office or do this, do that. Similarly, although we are sleeping on the lap of Maya, Kato nidra jao Maya pisachira kole, so we can be awakened. by simply this chanting process. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. So this chanting Hare Krishna mantra will cleanse our heart. We are loaded with so many dirty things. So this can be cleansed. Chetadarpana marjanam, bhava mahada bhagni nirpapanam. This Krishna consciousness movement is to cleanse the heart of the human being and get out all the purge, kick out all dirty things and concentrate and devotional service of Krishna. And the beginning is sinnata. Sinnata, this process. It doesn't require that you should be very rich man or you should be very educated or so on, so on. No. In whatever position you are, remain. There is no question of artificial improvement. There is no question. Remain. Simply, God has given you the ear. Utilize it properly. Yes. You don't require to go to the university and get a PhD degree and then you can understand. No. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. The Jnane Priyasam Udapasa Namanta eva Sarmukharitanga Bhavadiyo Vastam Sthane Sthita Sudhigatang Tanuvang Manovi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement is so nice that you don't require to acquire something artificially. No. Whatever you are, remain there. Simply hear. And preaching means to propagate or to vibrate what Krishna has said. So this is the position of the preacher, that you simply repeat like a parrot. No qualification. You simply, whatever is said in the Bhagavad Gita, you repeat. And the others simply hear. Savanam Kirtanam. Then both of them become liberated. And there is no question of that to become a qualified person. This is the only qualification that preachers should preach only what Krishna has said. That's all. No manufacturing, no concoction. And the audience, they will hear from such person who does not speak anything else except Krishna's teaching. That's all. These two things, if correct, then your both the life, the Savanam Kirtanam, the one who is speaking and one who is hearing, both of them are benefited. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is opening so many centers just to give people opportunity to hear. Hear. So I am very glad that this church, this was a church, and nobody was coming here. And therefore it was sold to us. Now you are all belonging to America, Los Angeles, and the church also was there. Now why it is crowded? It is not that you are imported from India to hear about Krishna. So if there is substance, they will hear. If there is no substance, who will hear? That is the difference. The substance is here. Ataev Krishna Veda Purana Karila. You hear the Vedas and Puranas and make your life successful. Thank you very much.